Today we're going to be talking about SKILLZ stock and why it could be going higher this week. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock of the moment, why it's your favorite stock of the moment, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys want to see what we're investing in and why, you want to see our public stock portfolio, and you want to see what the biggest investors in our field are actually investing in, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. You will be able to get up to $70 worth of free stock when you just deposit $1 on the platform. So go ahead and do that with the first link in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get straight into our stock for today, which is going to be SKILLZ stock. Okay, so here we are on public.com, and we can actually see that SKILLZ was up $1.18 on the day, which is a lot for a stock that is only worth about $10 to $11, or now $12. So that means it was up about 11% on the day. We can see from Public's kind of overview of what happened today. SKILLZ shares are trading higher, not seeing company-specific news for the session. Overall strong day in the market today. Kind of a recap here. Overall strong day in the market. SKILLZ happens to be benefiting from it pretty good, and that could be because they just broke a resistance line, which we're going to be going over at the end of this video. We're also going to be doing a fundamental overview of the stock, and then we're going to be going over some news on the stock. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. Real quick before we get started, we can actually check the social activity around this stock with StockTwits. We are not sponsored by StockTwits. We are sponsored by Public, first link in the description. But we can actually check the overall trendiness of it, and we can see that SKILLZ was actually trending number 6 today. So top 10 trending stocks on StockTwits. That means they're being talked about a lot, and that's most likely why they're up so much, because they're trending on StockTwits, and retail investors love when that happens. So number 6, SKILLZ is the number 6 trending stock on StockTwits. Okay, and now we can go over an article from the Motley Fool. I know you guys don't like this website, but they have great content, so too bad. Why SKILLZ is coming up with all the right answers. So the Trivia Cracks partnership is among several signs that SKILLZ could be set for massive growth over the next 24 months. They have a bunch of catalysts that they're going to go over in this, and that's why I wanted to go over it. Investors have cooled on SKILLZ after the Q2 earnings report. These are the key points. But SKILLZ is poised for several catalysts over the next 24 months to bring new content and users to the platform. The stock is attractively priced, and the long-term catalyst could result in a big upside for patient investors. Alright, so let's go over this. Mobile gaming competition platform. SKILLZ is trading near 52-week lows after its 2021 second quarter results disappointed many investors. However, here are 3 catalysts that could put SKILLZ back in the good graces of the market in the next 12 to 24 months, obviously says Motley Fool. So the first one is going to be developer momentum is picking up for SKILLZ. So basically the lack of high profile games on the SKILLZ platform has been the loudest argument against the stock since it went public in December 2020. We've been talking about this since the inception of Finance Bro pretty much. Indeed, the top games on SKILLZ are primarily casual games such as bingo, billiards, and cards. There's no true blockbuster on the platform yet. Yet being the key word. SKILLZ converted 19% of players on its platform into paying users in Q2, compared to 2% as cited industry average. So over 10 times basically the industry average. Management has spoken about its monetization rates as an incentive to lure brands and developers to partner with them and bring content to the platform. So this first showed up in the company's partnership with Play Mechanics to bring Big Buck Hunter, the platform's first-person shooter game, to SKILLZ. It then struck a partnership with the NFL to hold a developer challenge that is currently ongoing, and we'll see NFL-themed mobile games launch on SKILLZ next fall. I'd probably get involved with that, honestly. Now, just recently, SKILLZ announced the developer of Trivia Crack, the world's most popular mobile trivia game, is coming to the platform as well. I used to play this game all the time in high school. Haven't played it for a while, but if they could, revamp it a little bit, maybe I'll get back into it. So yeah, I mean, and then also number 2, onto the next one. An India launch is imminent. So SKILLZ is expanding outside of just North America to help grow its user base. India is the company's first new major market and holds roughly 365 million mobile gamers, more than an entire US population. So yeah, this would be an amazing step in order to go into India, because that's going to be a lot of users, and if they can convert even half of those users to say 10% are paying users, that would be absolutely amazing and would lead to a lot of revenue for SKILLZ. So yeah, and the third and final reason why you should buy SKILLZ, according to them, real-time gaming could bring new genres to the platform. So SKILLZ announced in early August that it made a strategic investment and partnership with Exit Games, which owns Photon, a technology engine that enables real-time gaming for nearly 600,000 developers across the world. It's really awesome. SKILLZ can now offer real-time gaming to its developers through partnership, which management expects will accelerate the arrival of real-time gaming genres on the platform. This is an important step for long-term development of content on SKILLZ, because its most important game today, such as Fortnite and other battle royales, need real-time gaming to work. This now increases the chances that a blockbuster game could emerge on SKILLZ. So overall, this shows just how awesome SKILLZ stock can be over the next 24 months. They're going into India. They have this new partnership with real-time gaming. And then also, obviously, the developer momentum is picking up. So these 3 things are going to lead to be catalysts going forward for SKILLZ, and this is honestly really good considering the levels that SKILLZ is at now. Now quickly, we can do a quick overview of SKILLZ stock. We can see that they only have a market cap of about 4.7 billion. That is a pretty low valuation in my opinion. In terms of chart events, there is a bullish pattern detected. In short term, it looks like green. In terms of financials, as you can see, revenue has been going up every year and each quarter as well. And then in terms of it being a buy or a sell, it is a 2 buy according to Yahoo Finance. And the analyst price targets, there are 6 of them, is a low of $13 and a high of $25 with an average of 18, which is massive upside from these levels. Next, we can go on to see the income statements, just to see how much exactly there is. You can see quarterly, we've been increasing revenue every year. And the cost of revenue is literally nothing, so gross profit is a lot. And then we can check their latest balance sheet. They have about 708 million in current assets and only 124 million in current liabilities, so they have a lot of cash to work with. Now we can do some quick technical analysis, and you can see here that SKILLZ, I drew some lines earlier this week, some resistance lines, and it broke through the resistance at 1125 pretty handedly, and that is where we're sitting above right now. I figured if we broke below the $10 level, SKILLZ could probably keep falling, but luckily we broke above this resistance, and we are chilling at a 70 RSI, which is pretty overbought. I expect to come back and use the 1125 previous resistance level as a new support going into the rest of the week. But yeah, that is pretty much going to be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did find any value or found this entertaining, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and comment, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. But my name is Zach, and hope to see you in the next video.